In this lesson, we are going to learn how to sing along to the first verse and the chorus. We will also learn how to play along to the verse and the chorus on our instrument and perform the first part of the song. So let's get ready to sing along to the first verse and chorus together.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here is Mr. Murphy to remind us of the notes G, B and A.
The B note. B note is string 2 with no frets. We can also call it string 2 open. Here's the B note. The G note. String 3, no frets. So that's the third string from the floor. 1, 2, 3. String 3. The A note is string 3, fret 2. That's with your second finger. Now remember, string 1 is the one nearest the floor. So it's 1, 2, 3. String 3, fret 2.
Now listen to the rhythms from Let's Dance. Have a listen, then rewind and practice clapping along or playing the rhythm on a note or chord of your choice. It might help to say the words whilst you clap or play. Do you remember learning about metronome markings? We're going to practice at 120 beats per minute. Now let's try at full speed, 150 beats per minute. Here is the first section of the guitar part to Let's Dance, played at a slow tempo whilst you learn it. Have a listen, pause, and practice, then rewind and play along. Now here is the same music played at full speed. Have a listen, then see if you can play along. If not, then no problem, go back to the slower version. Here is the chorus section. Have a listen, practice, then rewind and see if you can play along. Now let's try and put those parts together. We'll sing the first verse and chorus, and then play the verse and chorus. Remember, if any parts go wrong, pause and rewind any section of the video to help practice.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. Let's dance.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece so far at home.